In the middle of our busy cities, where concrete grows faster than trees, some tiny birds are quietly adapting, and even thriving. This is the story of the Indian silverbill, a small bird with a big lesson in survival. The Indian silverbill is a seed-loving finch, once associated mainly with open fields and rural landscapes. But today, it is increasingly becoming a familiar visitor to urban gardens, parks, and rooftops. What makes the Indian silverbill special is its remarkable adaptability. As natural grasslands shrink, these birds have learned to use human-modified habitats, especially home gardens. They are social, non-aggressive, and highly flexible in their feeding habits, qualities that help them flourish in cities. Bird feeders play a major role in this urban success story. A simple feeder filled with millet, rice grains, or mixed seeds can attract silverbills in surprisingly good numbers. In many gardens, once a few silverbills discover a reliable food source, they return daily, often bringing their flock along. There are several reasons behind their growing population in urban areas. Easy access to food through feeders, availability of shrubs and hedges for shelter, warm urban microclimates, reduced pressure from agricultural pesticides. Together, these factors have turned cities into safe havens for this gentle species. Indian silverbills are highly social birds. They feed together, rest together, and even roost in close groups, strengthening their survival as a community. Their soft calls and peaceful behavior make them a joy to observe, especially in home gardens. In urban environments, silverbills often use dense bush, ornamental plants, or creepers for nesting. Some even adapt to nesting near human structures, showing how closely wildlife and people can coexist. The growing presence of Indian silverbills in our gardens reminds us that small actions matter. Planting native grasses, providing clean water, and maintaining bird feeders can support not just silverbills, but many other urban birds. In a world that is changing fast, the Indian silverbill teaches us a simple lesson. If we make a little space for nature, nature will always find a way back.